Hey guys, this is how to make the Luca Harem color block joggers by RSD. To get started, we're just going to cut out all of our pattern pieces. When cutting out the top, front, and the back piece, don't forget to put your notches if you're doing pockets. I'm making pockets with mine, so that's why I did the notches. And once we're done cutting out our pattern pieces, we'll have a color block top, front, a color block bottom, elastic, a back piece, a waistband, 2 sets of 2 pockets, and 2 leg cuffs. For the front, we'll take the color block top and bottom, and we're going to place those right sides together like so. And I'm going to be taking my sewing clips and clipping those all together. And once that's all clipped, you're going to take it to your sewing machine or serger and just sew that together. Now we're going to add our pockets to the front piece, so you'll have your front and your 2 pockets. We're going to take that pocket right there, and we're going to lay the top part on that notch that we made. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to clip it down, and I'm going to do this for both sides. Once both sides are clipped, you're going to take it to your sewing machine or serger and attach those. And you'll do the same to the back side. So you'll take your pocket, find that notch, take the top of the pocket, line it up, and then you're going to clip it, and you'll do the same to the other side. Once those are all clipped, just take it to your sewing machine or serger, and you're going to attach those. Now that the pockets are sewn on, we're going to take our back and our front piece, and we're going to place them right sides together. We're going to line everything up, clipping everything in place. Once everything is all clipped in place, you're going to take it to your sewing machine or serger, and you'll sew the sides and the crotch. Now we're going to take our waistband and we're going to do it right sides together, and I'm just going to clip that in place. When you're done clipping, you'll take it to your sewing machine or serger and sew the side. Once our waistband is sewn, we're going to flip it out like so. And then now I'm going to quarter and clip. This will be super helpful when attaching your waistband to the pants. Once it's quarter and clipped, we're going to attach it to our joggers. So I'm finding that middle back seam for the waistband and lining it up with the back center for the joggers, lining up that front middle. And when doing this waistband, I'm doing the elastic waistband. I'm going to leave a 1-inch gap. That way I can put my elastic through the casing. Now you'll take it to your sewing machine or serger and attach that, but remember to leave a gap so we can thread our elastic through. Now that we have attached the waistband, I'm going to take my elastic and my elastic tool, and I'm just going to weave it into that waistband. Once your elastic has made it through the other side, we're going to take the other side of the elastic and attach it together with our sewing machine, and I'm just going to do a simple straight stitch. Once that's sewn, you're just going to pull your elastic through, and then now we're going to take a couple clips and we're going to clip over that opening, because we're going to take that to our sewing machine or serger and we're going to close that opening. Now we're going to be taking our 2 leg bands, we're going to fold it in half, right sides together, and then I'm going to fold it in half again, and then I'm going to clip it in place, and then you'll repeat that for the other leg band as well. Once those are both clipped, you'll take it to your sewing machine or serger and sew the side. Now that our leg cuffs are sewn, we're going to flip both of them out, and I'm going to quarter and clip those so it'll make attaching to the legs a lot easier. Now we're going to attach our leg bands to the bottom of the pants. So I'm taking the leg band and I'm placing the seam on the inside seam of the pants, line that up, and then lining it up with the middle part of the other side, clipping it, and then doing the same to the other leg cuff. Now you'll take it to your sewing machine or serger and attach those. Now here I am just flipping my project right sides out. And yeah, that is how you make the Luca Harem joggers. Thank you for watching.